Well, I got this thing on a good deal. It was 25 bucks at the local Wally World. Online it's $39.97, I think it is. Even then, it's a decent deal for a drill with a battery, because the battery alone is something like 40 bucks. I was thinking when I got it, maybe I should get two, but nah, it's okay, because I have plenty of batteries now. This makes number 8 for me. And I was I'll find the link for it, but this drill right here alone, they sell the drill, the battery, charger, for about $47, which is crazy. Anyway, this kit includes nut drivers here, drill bits, the magnetic tip right there, screwdriver attachment, cheap tape measure, some screwdriver bits, looks like Phillips, flathead, square, maybe some hex, and then that level right there, a real small one. So, I'm gonna open her up, check it out. All right. Here. Standard drill. There we go. Yeah. Standard drill has a chuck right there. Up to 10 with drill. And standard battery. Doesn't take up much space, because here's compared to the matrix drill. So, yeah, it's a lot lighter. Probably because of the attachment there. Has a light. Wasn't expecting that when I bought it. And I was reading the package. Yep, it's got a light. So I got all those extra batteries. What I'll do is I'll throw a couple of fresh batteries on these guys, and we can test them out. Yeah. Looks like the same chuck too. Yeah, same thing. Just the body's a lot smaller. Feels just fine in the hand. Reverse switch. Yeah. Hey, 25 bucks. That plus all little attachments and accessories. Pretty good. Well, let me pause it, open up the rest of the package, because I'm sure you don't want to bear and see me struggle with that. Okay, there we go. Got your screwdriver. Unlike the Stanley kits, the screwdriver doesn't have the 1/4 inch attachment, and then you have to put an adapter on it. This one has that on there already. And like, you got your nut drivers there, so you don't need a socket set in this little kit. This is magnetic, by the way. Yep, it's got square and then some hex right there. And it's got a whole bunch of Phillips compared to flathead. And, oh, that's hard to get out because that feels more rubbery. There we go. Yeah, magnetic. This feels more rubbery than the recent Stanley ones I have. It's actually flexible. That a level? That's a level, okay. Your standard magnetic bit holder. Let's see this tape measure, because I am not. Yeah, it's alright. I mean, we have nothing else, I guess. And supposedly it's a 10-foot tape measure, you know, or a 3-meter. Made in China, of course. I mean, Stanley owns, well, they don't own, but Stanley and Black & Decker are basically the same company. You would think that some Stanley, oh, okay, some Stanley tape measures would find their way with the Black & Decker name. But no, they had to do their own thing, and it feels kind of crappy. Be honest. Yes, be honest. Yeah, feels crappy. It does have 2 locks right here, including the lock that you don't need to constantly hold, but these 2 you have to constantly hold. And then the drill bits. 1/16, 5/64, 3/32, 7/64, 1/8, 9/64, 5/32, 11/64, 3/16, and quarter. Yeah, standard drill bits. Not too bad. Anyway, I'm gonna go outside and see how this drill holds up to the matrix drill, because this one is 650, I think. Let me see. Does it say on here? Yep. Up to 650 RPMs. And the matrix drill is up to 800 RPMs. So it's probably not going to hold up all that well to it, because the RPMs are lower, but see how well it does. So let's go outside. Alright, I'm just gonna put some of these small screws in here. They're pretty much depleted my supply of large screws. There we go. I'll do about 2 each. See how they fare. Start with the little drill first. Oh wow. That automatically broke that bit. Well, let's try another screw, but with the Stanley bit in here. There we go. That went better, because this one went deeper than Black & Decker bit, but the Black & Decker bit broke. And then compared to the matrix drill, this is 1, 2. Yep. Like I thought, the larger matrix drill did better. No surprise. Let's go back in. Alright, so there we have it. That Black & Decker bit. Focus. There we go. did not hold up at all. I might just chuck these and get rid of them. Maybe emergency bits, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, I'm not optimistic about these drill bits right here. They look like drill bits from a set I had before from Black & Decker, but you never know. One down. One down. The nut drivers are probably alright. I'll test them out another time. I didn't want to make this video this long, but that little fail, there we go, that little fail was definitely worth it. But yeah, this little kit, yeah, it's worth it for the drill. Accessory wise, I got plenty of accessories otherwise. I don't have to worry about any of this right here, especially that bit and this wonderful tape measure. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and all that jazz.